Welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see about water spinach. We all know that green leafy vegetables play an important role in a healthy diet and in maintaining our day-to-day nutritional requirement. Have you ever wondered, when there are so many green leafy vegetables, why is water spinach alone called the powerhouse of nutrients? And the reason is, just for 100 grams of water spinach, it contains close to 92% of vitamin C and 210% of vitamin A, apart from calcium, magnesium, protein, fiber, and a lot more. And that's why it's called the powerhouse of nutrients. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to grow, harvest, and cook this water spinach. But before that, if you are viewing my channel for the very first time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for getting the updates on my upcoming videos, don't forget to click the bell icon again. These are water spinach seeds. Either you can sow them in a row or you can also sprinkle them. These are fast growing plants, and even one or two plants is more than sufficient to cover the entire area, as it is a creeper and it just spreads really fast. These are creeper vines that you are seeing now. And you can see every single node has got a root, and these roots get support from the ground and they grow into an individual plant, and that's how they spread. And these are perennial plants too. The more you cut the leaves, the more it grows. And not just that, even if you feel like uprooting the plant, it will leave its trace behind. Within few weeks, you'll find a new plant growing in that place. This water spinach, it has got lot of medicinal properties. It aids in digestion, it helps in weight loss, and as vitamin A is abundant in these grains, it's good for our skin, hair, and vision too. Do you know how to identify whether a plant is rich in water content or not? It's very simple. Just look at its stem. If you find such small holes in any of the green leafy plant that you find, then it means that those plants are rich in water content. And not only that, this particular green has got relatively high levels of beta carotene, and it's a natural antioxidant too. It's rich in protein, it's rich in carbohydrate, it's rich in fiber, and it's extremely rich in electrolytes such as sodium and potassium. After plucking the leaves, wash them in salt water at least for a minimum of 2 to 3 times to remove even the minute dirt particles from the leaves. After washing, chop the leaves into small pieces, and for cooking, you need few curry leaves, few cumin seeds, one chopped big onion, and few green chili chopped. You can use red chili as well, and it depends on your spice intake. And finally, few chopped garlic. And for cooking, heat the oil first and add cumin seeds. Once it starts spluttering, start adding chopped onion, garlic, green chili, and curry leaves. Give it a nice stir till the onion turns golden brown, and once it turns golden brown, start adding all the chopped green leaves that we have plucked. These leaves are rich in fiber, and for people who are suffering from indigestion or any kind of gastric issue, you can just boil the leaves and extract the juice out of it. And intake of this juice extracted after boiling the leaves will help you relieve from any kind of gastric issue that you have. Coming back, you just have to add little salt to your cooked green leaves and nothing else. Just like any other green leafy vegetable, this green leaf again reduces its quantity once it is cooked. Looks like our water spinach is ready for getting served. This water spinach is the best medicine for stomach ulcer. And you know, in Ayurveda, this water spinach is considered as the best medicine for getting yourself treated against jaundice. A lot of medicinal properties are there in this water spinach. Do try this in your home, and I'm sure you'll really like the taste. And for small kids, just add a tablespoon of ghee to this green leaves and mix it with rice and give them hot. I'm sure they'll really enjoy relishing the taste. Trust me, they'll come and ask you for more. What best can we give our kids in this corona time than healthy diet? Tell me. So do try this in your home, and I'm sure your kids will really love it. I hope you like my video. If you find the video useful, please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you.